you don't have a plastic storage collection. You just have a ton of plastic storage.
And I can't find the lids.
Do you know what I mean?
Yes.
This is a true collection. This is a 25-piece bakeware set that Tara put together, which defines your kitchen up in New York.
Absolutely. So to a T. So this is actually a brand new silhouette for us starting off.
And already 9,000 pieces have been sold. That's impressive.
You're loving this. And I'll show you why. Because the versatility, and you're thinking 25 pieces, where am I going to put all of this? Yeah. I'm going to show you. So first of all, beautiful silhouette that you see there. There's the festive. It has the teardrop detail, the fluting that runs around the edges, the helper handles here on the side, that gorgeous body that you see there with, again, we're showing you the festive, that nice depth, 2.5 quart capacity in the largest one. We included the drip tray.
That's
Why?
nice.
So that you can do meatloafs in here if you want to. You can steam your vegetables in here because you can put it in the dishwasher. And every single baking piece comes with, Dan, what we call our lid it.
Yep.
This is a lid it. This is a cookie sheet. It's a cutting board. It's a serving platter. It's the trivet for under the baker. And guess
Lid
what?
for the top.
It's the lid for the top. So now when
That's
you're cooking your
nice.
lasagna and your garlic knots, you're covered. But then we kept going. We included your 2 quart. That also has the lid it. So when we talk about you're getting 5 serving trays, 5 great bakers, and so much more, we included your 1.5 quart. That too has a lid it. We included 2
You know
of
how
your...
hard it is to find a 1.5 quart baking pan?
Yes, I do, as a matter of fact, which is why I always
Yeah.
love to include them. 1.5 quart bowl, 1 quart bowl. Just this alone is amazing, and you can do so many things
Yes.
with it. First time we've ever done covered 16-ounce serving bowls, which many of you have asked for, and I love the beautiful finial there, the
And
detail.
you're getting
Both.
2 of those.
4 of the 6-ounce ramekins, which of course
I had never
come with
heard the
its spoons.
term ramekin.
Ramekin? Yeah. So a little dipping dish if you wanted to. Portion control, individual size portions. And Dan, every single
Plastic
baking piece comes with a
lids.
snap-on storage cover. And 25 recipes. It's basically a cookbook that we've included in here.
But
that's why this has been so popular.
I don't want to leave these out because you almost bypassed them.
Yeah.
These are adorable. She has 4 little measuring spoons with the 4 measurements that none of us ever understood what the heck Grandma was
But
talking
Grandma
about.
always said it, right? I'll just put a tad in there.
A pinch,
Yeah,
a dash, a drop.
And you can use these
Isn't that
spoons
cute?
to serve if you're
Yeah.
doing some of your little condiments inside here. So have fun with all the colors down in front. You want me to run everybody through that?
By the way, Tara, this is so funny. Okay, I can't help you. Tara doesn't know this. For those of you who've been watching, I am completely colorblind.
I actually did.
Did you know that?
I did.
I just had visions of you walking in this morning going,
Dan,
they put me
wanna
with
handle
who?
the Stop. You're just so crazy.
I can tell, this is confetti.
Yes, okay.
That's confetti right
Got
there.
it.
I know that.
So in floral lace, here is our festive. We were just showing you that. Now, our samples didn't make it on our light blue and our
But we do
eggplant.
have them.
Well, we have them, but I just wanted to remind you of the colors in
Yeah.
case you're thinking about it, but it'll be in our big set. Here's our chocolate. So again, love this. Look how beautiful that is.
In that chocolate, that color, that's the one that is most limited in the floral lace.
I'm
now
not
this
surprised.
is a new
Fairly
addition,
new.
but already 9,000 people
Yes.
have spoken for it. Pick them up now, and a lot of people were mentioning gifting, gifting, and gifting.
Well, I love that you can break this up too into many gifts. So
Sure.
here's our spice. There's our black. Our cranberries next door to that, and there's that red, always super popular. Matches back to your dinnerware. If you picked up that retiring dinnerware, there's your blue.
I'm doing the Vanna White thing.
I love it. And at the end, there's your green. So those are your floral lace colors.
That's pretty how you accent it with color. That's
Chunky.
no,
Chunky is funny. In the
Yes.
front, Dana White. Here is
Dana
our
White.
festive fetty. So if you love that holiday look, there it is in the old world. Next door is our spring fetty.
That does look like Easter.
It does. There's our confetti. Then we have our green. We have our blue. Notice the rope detail that runs around the edges. We have our red. We have our cranberry. Here's our eggplant. That beautiful brown, super neutral.
The brown is limited, and the spice
And the
is
spice,
limited
I'm
as
not
well.
surprised. Perfect for this time
Yep.
of year. And then the black here. So love it. Love, love the whole set. And everything, the piece count, and I wanted to show you because I promised.
It's massive.
I'm going to put it down
Okay,
and
that's
show
going
you
to be
where
the
you
question.
can tuck it away.
Because you get a 4-piece cookware set and you go, I have nowhere to put that.
Yeah.
And this is 25 pieces, but it all nests. Listen, this lady is not just a designer. She's a busy, busy woman.
Yes.
Your kitchen isn't massive.
No, it's
but
not.
it's filled with a lot of love.
A lot of love.
So she designs pieces that are functional. These go in the refrigerator, in
Yes.
the freezer, in the
Yes.
microwave, in the dishwasher. Look at how this all stacks together.
It's unbelievable. Look at this.
Good at this.
So 2 stacks. Well, I design it because I really want to be able to tuck everything away.
That's beautiful.
And then here are all your liddits and your lids. So 2 little stacks that you're finding a place for that when you open it up, you can cover everything from your appetizer, your dinner, your dessert, your side dishes, everything you can possibly need.
Now, there's also something to be said.
Yes.
This is how you know when you become an adult. When
Tell me.
When you have dinnerware that matches.
Well, that's fair.
All right.
True. Or it's not a mishmash
For the
anymore.
first 29 years of my life, it was plastic spoons and forks, or what do they call them? Sporks.
Sporks.
From Kentucky Fried.
Yes.
But when you've got a meal of this presence, it deserves to be served in something that's elegant and warms the heart as well as the mood.
I love
and
that.
This is such a great set.
Isn't this so great? Here's what we love about those liddits. So this actually, beautiful performance, even heating all the way around, no hot spots. So you know how when you're cooking with metal in the oven, you can actually hear it buckle?
Yep.
With Temp-tations, the heat actually hugs your food. So you get that beautiful even heating, that gorgeous performance, and you can do things like mac and cheese as your side dish and not have to worry about anything
It's almost
sticking.
naturally nonstick.
It
Yeah,
is
exactly.
actually naturally nonstick because of those glazes. I always say our grandmothers use stoneware, their grandmothers use stoneware. Temp-tations brings it to today's lifestyle. So here are all your side sauces and sides that you want to put in your ramekins, as well as baking breads in here. You can steam your green beans in here, which is amazing. Remember, you have that drip tray in the bottom. Put a little water, put this in the microwave, and steam your vegetables. I do it all the time. Bake breads in here, your desserts in here. And don't forget, they go in the fridge and the freezer as well.
Okay.
So you can chill these ahead of time and then bring out your guacamole because you want to use this as your appetizer.
Okay.
I love that idea also. So look how we took the bowls and made an appetizer. We took some of the bakers and made desserts. And then of course we used some of the side dishes for our pasta bakes and of course for our green beans. Everything from soup to nuts.
But what an incredible statement when you're the hostess or the host to have things match.
Absolutely. Look at this
You know,
behind you. This is a wow.
This is an opportunity, by the way. If you split this set up, you now have
a ton of gifts
for $81 and change, and we are getting limited
17
already in certain colors.
Yeah, I'm not surprised.
Don't wait on this. This is one of those things that you even treat yourself to. Wouldn't it be fabulous to be able to set that
To
table
me, from me?
with everything? Yeah, and you open it and you go, it's just what I wanted.
And the color I wanted too.
How did you know?
But I always love, again, not only the value of these amazing pieces, but how you can break them up and share Temp-tations with so many people.
We're going to do some things brand new you've never seen before. Sadly, we're going to do some things that have been your favorites that are soon to be retired. We've got a little more coming up. Take a look at this. The muffin pans
Finally
are coming
back.
back. They're 13 minutes away. You get not one, but 2 of those muffin pans.